Everyone is broke like me in my group. Hi guys, just woke up right now, and I woke up because of the rain outside. Look at this. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but no, it was also windy outside. Now it's not. Now it's very, okay, because I took out the camera and ooh, it's cold. The cold wind is blowing. Yeah, and I was not in a very deep sleep. I was just sleeping. I was about to wake up, and that's when I heard a lot of commotion outside. So I thought, what's wrong with? I mean, what's happening? And then I found that it's raining, and I'm in Dehradun right now, and in I'm pretty sure that in most of the places there must be snowing, and I want to see snow, which I know that I won't be able to right now. I mean, today I might not. I am sure that I won't be able to go and watch snow. I wish I could. I wish I had some people or some. I need friends. I need friends here. I need rich friends, which I don't have. Everyone is broke like me in my group. What should I do? Do you wanna build a snowman? No? Okay, bye.